welcome to Mini Medi. Today we're going to do a short meditation on how to attract like-minded people into your life, or a loving partner, or just better friends, or a support group that's good for mutual benefits for yourself and for them as well. So with that, if you haven't joined me before, we just hold our hands out in front of us and take 3 deep breaths and release. And my hands are open to receive the best that life has to offer. My mind is open to receive people who are good for me and people who I can support, and it's mutually satisfying. There is someone for everyone, no matter who that person is. Like attracts like, good attracts good. I'm open to receive healthy, happy relationships and friends. I relate to others in a positive, healthy way and set boundaries, and they do the same. And it's mutually satisfying because we have the ability to communicate with each other in a positive, dynamic way. I am open and honest in my relationships, and like attracts like. I attract others who are open and have emotional intelligence, and we enjoy each other's company without trying to change each other. It's just mutually satisfying. All my relationships are satisfying now, and I operate from a place of honesty and enjoyment. I appreciate all the people in my life and engage with them in a way that is dynamic, and I am definitely interested in them. And they are open and honest with me, and I show interest on a daily basis. I definitely have no ulterior motives and just want to support emotionally, show that I care, and it works both ways, and it's a beautiful give and take with all my friends and all my love and all my love interests and all my relationships, whether it's with parents, siblings, cousins, aunts, grandparents, uncles, lovers, children. Just happy, mutually giving, and affectionate, and positive, and sharing, beneficial, complimentary, uplifting, adventurous, fun, engaging, healthy, happy, loving, secure, harmonious, peaceful, joyous, free. Take a deep breath in and release, and just know all your relationships that are in your life or that are coming into your life are good for you and healthy and beneficial, and just release all them toxic old relationships that are not serving you, and or people who have just, they're just using you, or it's one-sided, or they're talking about you nasty. Just let those go. Just let them go. Delete their phone numbers from your phone. Defriend them, hide them on Facebook, whatever you need to do to reestablish and establish and know your worth, and know that you are worth people showing you attention and calling you and engaging with you, conversing with you. And if you're not getting that from your relationships, let those go so you can make room for the new and the dynamic, awesome relationships that you deserve. So do that now. Don't hesitate. And I will see you next time, and enjoy those beautiful relationships that you have in your life right now. I'll see you later.